What does it mean to forgive someone? To forgive someone is a conscious decision to intentionally let go of the anger and resentment that you have towards someone for harm for what they did to you in the past. Just because you forgive them doesn't mean you're going to forget about it. It doesn't mean you're saying it wasn't wrong, but it's a conscious decision to let go of the anger. When you forgive someone, it doesn't necessarily mean that you trust them now. It doesn't necessarily mean that the relationship is restored or that there's reconciliation. But forgiveness does mean that you're letting go of the debt. When you forgive someone, you're saying, you no longer owe me. You no longer owe me an apology. You no longer owe me an acceptance of blame. You no longer owe me seeing it from my perspective. You no longer owe me saying that you were wrong. To forgive someone is to cancel the debt. Just because you forgive someone doesn't mean that you can't set boundaries. You can forgive and still set boundaries. You can forgive someone but still take yourself out of a harmful and an unsafe environment. When you forgive someone, you're giving yourself the gift of letting go of the anger and the resentment and no longer letting what this person did control you in your life. They no longer have control over your emotions. They no longer have control over your happiness today.